Hello and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the future of AI-powered art with a tool that's not just making noise, but truly changing the game, Qwen Image. Now, if you've used AI image generators before, you probably know the struggle. They make stunning pictures, beautiful landscapes, photorealistic portraits, wild sci-fi scenes. But the moment you ask them to add text, everything falls apart. Misspelled words, blurry letters, gibberish headlines. Sometimes it doesn't even look like a human alphabet at all. But here's the exciting part. Qwen Image fixes all that. It's not just another AI model. It's a massive 20 billion parameter foundation model. In simple terms, think of it like a superbrain designed specifically for one job, creating images with perfect native text rendering. That means the visuals look stunning, and the text looks like it came from a real book, sign, or magazine. So what makes Qwen Image special? Let's break it down into three standout features. 1. Superior text rendering. This is the headline feature. From a simple street sign to an entire newspaper front page, Qwen Image keeps everything crystal clear. And it's not limited to one language. It handles multiple languages, including English, Chinese, and more, with surprising accuracy. 2. Consistent image editing. If you've ever tried tweaking AI images, you know the pain. Change one detail, and the whole picture warps into something else. With Qwen Image, edits are consistent. Want to adjust the pose of a character, change colors, or add details? You can do it without breaking the overall composition. 3. Cross-benchmark performance. It's not just hype. On tests and benchmarks, Qwen Image outperforms other models, especially when it comes to text accuracy. That makes it reliable for serious creators who need more than just cool-looking art. Alright, enough talking, let's see it in action. I typed in an ultra-realistic photograph of an elderly fisherman wearing a weathered yellow raincoat standing on a foggy wooden pier at dawn. The result? A breathtaking portrait. Lifelike wrinkles, texture on the raincoat, atmosphere so real you can almost feel the cold morning air. Now let's test the text side. I asked for a man sitting in a coffee shop reading a newspaper with the headline, AI changes everything. And the headline? Crystal clear, perfectly spelled, formatted exactly like a real newspaper. No broken letters, no weird symbols. But here's the real stress test. A 4-panel comic strip of a cat writing a novel. That's one of the hardest challenges for AI. Multiple panels, consistent characters, and specific text in bubbles and on a computer screen. The result? 4 neat panels. The cat stays the same across each frame. Dialogue spelled correctly, layout exactly as I described. It honestly feels like magic. So why does this matter? Because for years, artists, designers, and creators have had to fight against the limitations of AI tools. You'd get great art, but useless text, or clear text, but a broken picture. Qwen Image changes that. It finally brings the two together. Think about the possibilities. A graphic designer making posters with sharp slogans. A marketer creating mock-ups for ads or billboards. A comic artist sketching out ideas without worrying about text errors. Teachers making quick, customized visuals for lessons. Even meme creators, because let's be real, memes live or die by the clarity of the text. And here's the best part, it's completely free. Just go to chat.qwen.ai. The interface is clean and simple. You can pick from different styles, adjust the aspect ratio, square, widescreen, even cinematic 16:9. Type your prompt, click generate, and in seconds you've got something ready to use. Downloading is literally one click. Now to put it into perspective, most AI art tools struggle when mixing text and visuals. You usually have to generate the image in one tool, then manually edit text in Photoshop or Canva. That takes extra time, extra effort, and often kills your creative flow. But with Qwen Image, you just describe what you want, and it handles both image and text seamlessly. And here's another angle. It levels the playing field. Not everyone is a professional graphic designer. Not everyone can afford expensive software. But with Qwen Image, anyone with an idea can turn it into a professional-looking image in seconds. So to wrap up, Qwen Image isn't just another AI tool. It's a new standard for AI-generated art. It's free, it's powerful, and it's easy to use. If you're into design, marketing, comics, ads, or you just love experimenting with AI, this is something you don't want to miss. Try it yourself at chatqwen.ai. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we'll be exploring even more AI breakthroughs right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.